Hello dear friends, how's your life? I know, you probably read the title of this video and you're like, what is he going to do? But let me explain, okay? I have a plan. I want to get some promotion for my Instagram account, and I thought I could just find some Instagram models, edit the images, and then just DM them the edited images and see if they reply and if they actually post those images on their profile, so I can get some exposure and basically free promotion. So it's not really like picking up, it's more like just trying to get free promotion. And here I have actually collected few ideas that I can use for the artworks, and these are usually some simple image edits that I can quickly do because I don't want to spend too much time on it. Let's go and hunt some models. Okay, hunt some models sounds really bad. Wait, do I also include guys? No. Too many followers, most likely will not reply. Oh, these are not even the same girls. All of them are different girls. I just realized that. They all look so similar. Who are you? What is your zodiac sign? Who cares what is my zodiac? Is he asking me? Who are you? This looks like a nice image. Maybe an image that I could do something with it, but it's too blurry. I'm just gonna take this image as one of them and just gonna do some angel hello edit. So this one is saved. Okay, I'm gonna take this image. We have here two images, basically this one and this one, and that means I can actually connect them and do something like that. Basically, you know, make a RGB glitch effect. This is actually a nice image, but what can I do with it? That is the question. I'm gonna add some wings to her and also some clouds around the image. I think it's gonna look cool. I'm already tired from looking how much time I've spent on this already. 15 minutes. Okay, not that much, but still. Okay, this image, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to edit the colors of the hair. This type of edit where I will do the hairs like rainbows, a beautiful spacey sky in the background. Wow, you know what I just thought? I could make her look like a devil in the mirror. She's holding the mirror and she's seeing a devil of herself. You are art. Thank you. Is that for me? Just gonna take this image and I'm gonna download this image, and you probably will be shocked how you can do that, but look. Where is, oh, here is it. Boom, copy image. Let's start by editing the colors first. Boom, before after, so I guess it's real. I want to do some murder magic, so I will take my brush tool. I'm going to take here my special powder Photoshop brushes, which look like clouds. And maybe for just a final step, I will try to do something very creative. I will try to convert it into a painting. Wow, this looks really dope, my dear friend. She does. Okay, I mean, she has to like this.
This is amazing.
Copy and paste this. Voila. So like this. Boom. Yeah, probably doesn't look that good. So let's try the same effect with this girl. I mean, the same girl but the different image.
It's kind of fine, but not really what I like.
Maybe I should make it bigger, put it here. You know what? I think this will do. First of all, we need to give it some nice colors. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you that. So guys, I'm pretty sure by this you already know about my website learnfromfred.com, but there's actually something pretty cool and new going on, okay? Obviously, you can go to the website and you can choose the path, whether you're beginner, intermediate or professional, and you can get classes according to your level and actually improve and get better. I mean, for example, these are some cool artworks that my students have created. I mean, pretty amazing. Some of them are even better than my own artwork. I don't know how they got so good watching after few of my classes. And the cool thing is that you can either access all of the classes for just $9 for your first month, or you can actually go to all classes and you can purchase the classes one by one, which are also discounted. For example, this flying heads, a 3D line fantasy Photoshop manipulation with this unique art ideas and techniques for your next digital artwork. Brain inside advanced photo manipulation. Hopefully I will see you in one of my classes, my dear friend. First of all, we need to edit the colors of this beautiful image. I will go to my favorite, not favorite website, but website where I can find 3D wings. I'm going to search here for wings, and it's going to show me all different type of 3D models of wings. This one looks pretty cool. Ooh, okay, she's not going to like this one, definitely, because it's demon wings. I think I will choose this one. I really like it. And boom, and now I just need to change the blending mode and see what we get here. Ooh, nice eyes, but let's see. Doom, doom. Wow. So for here, I'm gonna do
my lovely special technique, which is the
rainbow technique. Hello. So my camera stopped recording, so that's why I will be here from now on. I just need to change the blending modes and see if I can actually find something. We just need to change the atmosphere a bit. Okay, now we also have here this beautiful shadow to make it more realistic. Boom, I think it looks pretty cool, my dear friend. Oh my god, I look horrible in this camera. And I am back. Wow, finally my camera is charged and we are ready to go. I also wanna, try a version of this image painted style, so I will click on this effect again and see. Okay, and we are done. I think it looks cool. I'm just gonna color her beautiful hair in rainbow colors and hopefully it will look good. Doop 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 tap doop 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 doop. I want to make it look like almost like if she is inside the clouds.
I mean, sounds pretty crazy, but I think we can do that.
I think it looks pretty cool. Of course, I could work on it more and make it more realistic and blah blah blah, but come on, we are doing this stuff just for fun. So now we will do something pretty crazy, I will say.
No!
My Photoshop crashed. I think it's time to jump from the window because I didn't save my work. So this is the type of texture that I want to apply to the face of the girl to make her look like a devil, something like that. The way I will do it is by actually using this very cute kitty image. Yeah, I know, you didn't expect it, right? You said I'm gonna do something like complicated and blah blah blah. No, I'm just gonna take a kitty and put it on her face and voila, easy. I mean, we got this type of, nice texture. If I really wanted to, I could make it look perfect. Okay, what I need to do now is I need to find some horns. This is pretty cool. What angle should I choose? Anyway, eventually I ended up doing two edits. First one, this creepy one with her being a devil, and second one, this nice one with her being an angel, so that I can send both of them together and it doesn't look as bad anymore, In total, there were only 5 girls that I edited. I think at least one of them will reply.
Wow, it's magic!
So as you can see, I changed the atmosphere. Now it's really dark here. You know why? Because we're starting to send the images. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's not, you don't need to see that. Okay, I went too far. I don't know why I did it the dark way, I could just be like,
Okay guys, let's start sending the images.
First of all, we need to, write a message. Something like, hi bro. Okay, it's a joke, okay? No bro, okay? Hey, Hey, I'm a digital artist who does random edits for people on Instagram. I liked your image and decided to do something creative with it. I hope you like it. Should I add something like
Oh, let's do a collab or blah blah blah.
Antonia Freya Lydia? Okay, which one is her name? Antonia Freya or Lydia? Okay, in my country we have only first name and last name. Hi, Antonia. So, 5 days have passed and finally I'm gonna share with you the results and also give you some tips how you can actually make sure that this strategy is effective for you and your artworks actually get promoted. First of all, I have really bad, horrible news. Okay, guess how many girls replied? 0 people replied. I will tell you why so that you don't make the same mistakes that I did. First of all, I was doing this just for fun, you know. I think the artworks were okay, but of course I could have worked longer on them. Secondly, normally when you want to collab with someone, you have to message the person first, ask if they're interested, and only if they're interested then you go and do the artwork. But actually, even if you message and I agree with the person, it doesn't guarantee that they will post it because sometimes they can just be like,
Oh my god, this artwork is amazing.
and then not actually post it. It happened to me many times. That's why
I never do art for free.
well, except for this video, which is just for fun. That's also one of the reasons why maybe they didn't reply, because even if they liked the artwork but they got it for free, they didn't do anything for that, so they just didn't value it. Maybe if I messaged a guy, I had more chances to get a reply. Usually if you're a girl and you're Instagram model on Instagram, I'm pretty sure you get hundreds of messages from different types of guys every day. I'm pretty sure there are also some very creepy messages as well, so maybe they just don't even check their messages. I hope you enjoyed my little experiment. Anyway guys, love you. See you in the next video. Make sure to turn on the bell notifications, of course, and all that other YouTube stuff.